Hey, good morning. Hello, everyone. So, today I'm going to unboxing the M Audio Midi keyboard. Midi keyboard is one of the useful devices to produce music, and if you are also trying to know more about the Midi keyboard, then this is the right video for you. So, after watching this video, you will get the idea about the M Audio Midi keyboard. So guys, it is too much easy to set up this MIDI keyboard. So in this video I'm going to unboxing this M Audio MIDI keyboard. So guys, just you have to watch this video until the last. Okay. So guys, it is one of the very portable, and it will take too much. It will not take too much space also. So it is one of the portable and amazing type of the MIDI keyboard. Okay, so hoping that you will love this MIDI keyboard. So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon. So without any late, let's start our unboxing. Today I'm going to unboxing this M Audio Oxygen 25 MIDI keyboard. So it is one of the amazing MIDI keyboard. So first of all I'm going to unboxing this one. Okay, so I'm going to cutting from this side. Okay, so I'm just cutting this one. Yeah, I'll So now I'll open this one from this side. Okay, and I'll open the whole package. Okay, so guys, now you can see here, so this is the actual product. So this is the M Audio, boom. Yeah, so now you can see here, it is one of the amazing type of product. So I'm just opening this one. Okay, so this is the actual product, right? So now you can see here, using this product you can easily compose and arrange the music. So this is, there is two forms. So inside the packaging, so there is a boom, this is the M Audio Oxygen 25 MIDI keyboard. So there is totally 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 white keys, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 black keys. Okay, and you can increase and decrease the pitch mode, and you can there are different buttons available. In my future video I'm going to use this one, and in this side there is a drum pad available. Okay, so using this drum pad also you can easily create the musics, and you can use the auto, C10s, different kind of buttons available. So now you can see it in the back side what is here. So there is the 1 year warranty. Okay, so there is a 1 year warranty available. Okay, and this is the designed in USA but made in China, but it's okay. So I think it will work fine. So for this one you don't need any kind of cable. So in this side now you can see here there is a on off switch. Okay, and here is a sustain C17, and here is a USB. So from here you can easily insert or you can keep the input your all the things from this MIDI keyboard to your computer directly. Okay, so So for this one you need this kind of the wire. So first of all you have to connect this wire here. Okay, like this. Yeah, like this. And this USB you have to connect in the USB port, and after that you will be able to input, or you will be able to compose the music. Okay, so this much for today. That's it. So guys, today we did unboxing of the M Audio MIDI keyboard, and in my future video I'll do more review video on this product. Okay, so if you want to know more about the M Audio MIDI keyboard, then you can subscribe my YouTube channel, and in my future video I'm going to use this MIDI keyboard to produce more and more musics. I'm not a musician, I'm also beginner, but I recommend you to purchase this MIDI keyboard if you are a beginner. Then it will give you more experience about the music composition. So hoping that you get few ideas about this M Audio MIDI keyboard, and if you want to know more about it, and if you want to get the review video of this M Audio MIDI keyboard, then let me know in the comment sections. I'll make a separate video only for you, and share this video to among the people who are planning to purchase the M Audio MIDI keyboard. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye. See you again.